Here at Brimell Toyota, we have a Drive Shield certified, one owner and accident free 2015 Toyota RAV4 XLE. Let's take a look and see what this vehicle has to offer. This vehicle comes with power locks, mirrors, and windows. It has a very spacious 5-passenger interior and a sunroof up top. This vehicle also has steering wheel audio and Bluetooth controls. It has a built-in navigation system, AM and FM radio, USB and auxiliary inputs, XM radio, a rear view camera, dual climate control, heated seating, and many more great features.